Boulder Opal, nature's artistry in stone. Welcome to a journey through nature's artistry as we explore the captivating world of Boulder Opal. In this video, we'll unveil the gem's stunning formations and vivid colors, showcasing the true beauty of the earth. Boulder Opal is a geological masterpiece, a canvas of opalescent patterns created by nature itself. Join us as we delve into the mesmerizing formations that make each piece a unique work of art. Beyond its patterns, Boulder Opal displays a rich palette of colors, each reflecting the natural beauty of our world. Discover how this gemstone can connect you to the Earth's vibrancy. Boulder Opal not only showcases beauty but also unveils the Earth's secrets. Explore how it can inspire your own journey of discovery and connection with the planet. As we conclude our journey, we invite you to incorporate the vivid colors and natural artistry of Boulder Opal into your life. Explore the exquisite jewelry and let it be a source of inspiration and connection to nature. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Boulder Opal, a gemstone that showcases nature's artistry in stone. May its stunning formations and vibrant colors connect you to the Earth's beauty and mysteries. Brought to you by crystalstones.com.